Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start here, sign into your Xbox and plug the headset into the controller or USB port. Make sure it's powered on and visible. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, then navigate to Profile and System. Once done, select Settings. This is where audio routing lives. You're skipping obvious setup and moving directly into configuration so you can hear only on the headset. Keep the controller nearby to test levels as you proceed. You'll use it immediately in the next step. You're in Settings. Choose General, then Volume and Audio Output. Now, set headset audio to the appropriate format, stereo uncompressed for game chat clarity, or Windows Sonic/DTS for spatial sound if supported. Next, find headset audio routing and select headset only or headset and speakers depending on preference. Pick headset only to force all audio there. Make adjustments to volume, chat mixer, and mic monitoring so game, chat, and system sounds balance correctly. These options explain how and why you hear each source. You're finishing. Test the change by launching a game or party chat, then speak to confirm mic and listen for game audio in the headset. If levels feel off, tweak chat mixer and master volume under the same settings. Small changes often solve balance issues. If there's no audio, make sure the headset is fully seated, controller firmware is updated, and the Xbox output isn't mirrored to TV. One key tip: restart the console after changes. This clears routing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.